Hi, welcome. If you are new to yoga or if you are wanting to get back to the fundamentals, the Beginner's Yoga Foundation series is exactly where you want to start. Over 4 weeks, you'll explore the fundamentals of yoga. Things like breath and alignment and posture mechanics and simple philosophy. Each class is going to build progressively so that by the end, you will understand not only what to do, but why. And you get to walk away with the tools that can translate into any class, definitely on our schedule. So, who would this be for? This series is for you if you have never stepped on a yoga mat before, or if you have dabbled but not really understood why you're doing what you're doing in a class. It's also for returning practitioners who would want to rebuild a foundation they feel more confident in. And because we're an interdisciplinary studio, which means that the series is really about finding the right practice for your body, you don't have to force your body into one particular style. So if you are unsure where to begin, or a general welcome video walks you through some of the class styles, this might be one of the gentlest entry points. All right. Here's the honest truth about starting yoga. It is less about how flexible you are, and way more about whether you keep showing up. That is the whole reason that we encourage our students to do the unlimited add-on. Because the biggest gift that you can give yourself in these 4 weeks isn't the intensity, it's the frequency. So one class a week teaches you the shapes, where 2 or 3 a week is where you're actually going to start to change how you feel about your body and hopefully your day. When you walk out of this series, here's what I want for you. I want you to be able to walk into any class on our schedule afterwards and feel like you belong there, that you are not lost, that you are not behind, that you are ready and you know how to use your props, you know how to modify, and you need not have to feel lost, basically. You know where you are. And so we do price the series slightly different depending on how you are attending. $85 gives you the whole thing. It gives you in-studio access, all the unlimited classes, all the unlimited streams for the whole duration of your series, including those 4 classes that are specific to the program. The $65 version is just the in-studio basic 4 classes only. And then if you are an at-home person, you can do $70, which will give you unlimited streams. And then $50 is just the live streaming at home for those 4 live classes. So if you go with the basic option, I just want to flag something that's important, because basic is going to give you 1 class per week, and that's not bad. That's starting stone, but the best way to actually build a practice is to attend those 2 or 3 times per class. And that's why we really strongly encourage you to kind of go into that unlimited upgrade for just an extra $20, because you have it for the full 4 weeks or maybe even longer. It depends on if your series happens to fall over a holiday weekend. So that means from the day that you start your series until the day that it ends, you get to take as many classes as you want at all of our things. All right. The only thing that you would be shifting out of would be more events or master classes. They would be additional. And then the nice bonus is, right, if you are over one of those holiday weekends, we just extend your access by another whole additional week, because we need to make sure that it's there. For reference, a regular month of unlimited yoga at the studio is $108 at its regular rate. So the $20 upgrade is genuinely a great deal, especially for the length of your series. And if you are already a member with us and you just want to get a little more something, maybe you started at the trial membership and maybe dates didn't work, something like that, you can come and take this at a 50% off. Okay, so you're only going to do the basic because you already have unlimited paid with your membership, and you get to do 50% off of that. So it's like 30 some dollars, which breaks it out to less than $10 per class to come to this program. And hopefully you can come, you can find your foundation, and we can help to build that for you. So let's leave feeling confident. Let's leave feeling included. Let's leave feeling like we've connected with some other like-minded people. A teacher knows our name, and a little bit of a discipline to keep us consistent over our introduction. Not everybody does great with just an unlimited month. They might go and have the best of intentions and come twice. So you know you best in starting something new. If it's challenging, this is the way, okay? I'll see you soon. Bye.